Jesus said in Matthew chapter 5 verse 48, "Be perfect therefore, as your heavenly Father is perfect." Be perfect? Ano yun? Maaring mahirap to gawin sa umpisa, pero pag pinag-aralan natin yung salitang ginamit doon, it doesn't actually mean to be sinless o walang pagkakamali. The Greek word is teleos, which means to be complete or matured. So Jesus was actually telling us to be complete and mature, just like our Heavenly Father is. Jesus is telling us to love without partiality, na hindi lang daw natin mahalin yung mga taong mahal tayo, kundi yung mga taong galit sa atin. Sabi niya, there's no reward when you love only those who love you. Kahit yung mga hindi mananampalataya, ginagawa yan. Jesus doubles down on this. Romans chapter 12 verse 20. If your enemy is hungry, feed him. If he's thirsty, give him something to drink. In doing this, you will heap burning coals on his head. Akala ko dati ang sinasabi ng Panginoon, nalagyan sila ng nagbabagang uling sa ulo nila. In short, saktan sila. But you know what? Back then, napakalamig ng panahon, and the only way to keep them warm ay sa pamamagitan ng uling. Now, kapag wala ng uling ang mga tao, kakatok sila sa mga kapitbahay nila, daladalang isang parang bilao na usually nilalagay nila sa kanilang ulo. At kung bibigyan mo sila ng uling, ilalagay mo to sa bilao na nasa ulo nila. So in short, Jesus is not telling us to hurt our enemies, but instead to help them when they are in need. At sabi ng Panginoon, through this, mapapahiya sila. Kapatid, hindi mo kailangan labanan ng salita ang salita. Hindi mo kailangan labanan ng sakit ang isang sakit. Sabi ng Panginoon, mahalin natin ang mga taong nagagalit sa atin. That's 1 minute. This is Word on Weekdays.